Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best cordless angle grinders that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Craftsman V20 Angle Grinder. The Craftsman V20 Angle Grinder, CMCG400B, as a compact and versatile tool designed for various grinding and cutting applications. With a small 4.5-inch size, it provides excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. As a tool-only option, users can utilize their existing Craftsman V20 batteries and charger, maximizing cost-effectiveness. The angle grinder features a comfortable grip for extended use, and its 3-position handle allows for control and flexibility during operation. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the Craftsman V20 Angle Grinder offers a reliable and efficient solution for metalworking and other grinding tasks in a compact and portable design. Moving on at number 4, we have Chemo Cordless Grinder 20 volts Cordless Angle Grinder. The Chemo Cordless Grinder is a powerful and portable tool designed for versatility in metal and wood applications. With a 20 volts cordless design, it comes equipped with a 4.0 Li-ion battery and charger for convenient, cable-free operation. The 9000 RPM brushless motor ensures efficient performance, and the 4:1, 2 inches blade allows for various cutting and grinding tasks. Featuring an electric brake for enhanced safety, a 2-position handle for control, and a lightweight design, it offers user-friendly operation. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, the Chemo Cordless Grinder provides a reliable and efficient solution for a range of metal and woodworking projects. At number 3, we have Metabo HPT18V Multi-Volt Cordless Angle Grinder. The Metabo HPT18V Multi-Volt Cordless Angle Grinder, G18DBALQ4, as a versatile tool designed for various cutting and grinding applications. This 4.5-inch angle grinder is offered as a tool-only option, allowing users to utilize their existing multi-volt batteries and charger. The paddle switch design provides ease of use and increased safety during operation. With the multi-volt technology, this grinder can seamlessly switch between 18 volts and 36 volts power sources for optimal flexibility. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the Metabo HPT Cordless Angle Grinder offers a reliable and powerful solution for metalworking and other grinding tasks. At number 2, we have DeWalt Angle Grinder Toolkit. The DeWalt 20 volts Max Angle Grinder Toolkit, DCG413R2, as a comprehensive solution for cutting and grinding tasks. The 4.5-inch angle grinder features a paddle switch with brake for enhanced safety and control during operation. The kit includes two 20 volts Max XR 5.0 lithium-ion batteries and a charger, ensuring extended runtime and quick power replenishment. With a powerful brushless motor, this tool delivers efficient performance and durability. The ergonomic design and 2-position side handle offer comfort and versatility on the job. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the DeWalt Angle Grinder Toolkit provides a reliable and high-performance solution for various applications. And finally at number 1, Makita Grinder. The Makita XAG04Z 18 volts LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless cutoff angle grinder is a powerful and versatile tool for cutting and grinding applications. This tool-only option allows users to leverage their existing 18 volts LXT batteries and charger. With a brushless motor, it delivers efficient performance and extends tool life. The grinder accommodates both 4.5-inch and 5-inch wheels, providing flexibility for various tasks. The tool is designed for comfort and control, featuring an ergonomic rubberized grip and a slide switch with lock-on function. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Makita XAG04Z Angle Grinder offers reliable and efficient operation for your cutting and grinding needs. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.